If YouTube is not recommending your videos, you need to do just one simple thing. And trust me, you are going to see massive change on your channel. Now take a look at this. Now this is just one single video, right? And I was able to get 71k views from this particular video. And the most interesting thing is that because YouTube was recommending this video, I was able to get over 3.3k watch hours. Out of 4,000 watch hours, I was able to get over 1.5k subscribers. One video, I've almost achieved all the monetization requirements I am looking for. And I am human just like you. Once I've been able to do something like this, it means that you can also do it. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I show you how we are going to achieve this same result, this is what you need to understand. Now, how will you know if YouTube is actually recommending your videos, right? When you come to the reach of this video, you go then click on this, right? Now, this is it. If YouTube is recommending your videos, normally it is through browse features and suggested videos. That shows that YouTube is actually pushing your videos to a lot of audience. And with my case here, you can see that the browse is 85%. It means that YouTube is pushing my videos. If you want to achieve the same result, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and let me show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is that you come to your YouTube homepage, right? And then you scroll. Now, the reason for the scrolling is to hunt for channels that are performing well or channels that have gone viral. Now, one thing you need to understand is that if you really want to get more views on YouTube, or if you want YouTube to recommend your videos, right, you need to put away steez. You need to put away your aura. You need to put away the fact that you are a big person, or you need to put away the fact that you feel shy in doing certain things. In getting views on YouTube, forget about being shy. You need to understand the game. YouTube is a game. If you don't know, I am telling you. That's exactly what I do, and it has been helping me. Now, the reason why I'm saying you should put away your aura and your steez and your shyness is that we are going to copy. And you have to use videos that are in your niche. What I'll be doing is that if you also have a content creator in your mind who has been doing well, you can also use their channel. There's this YouTuber called Daily Tips with Bookie, right? So I'm going to use her channel, for example. I'm going to her channel. Then I'll go to videos. Yes, you can see 1 month ago, she posted this particular video and she had 83k views. That is very massive comparing it to her subscriber count. You understand? So 83k views is massive views. If you want YouTube to recommend your videos, this is what you have to do. Click on this video, right?
I finally found the newest way you can use to get 1,000.
Once you click on this video, watch this video to the end if it is short. But if it's long, you can just skip and then have a fair idea of what the video is about. Now, after understanding what the video is about, what you have to do is that you are going to recreate your version of the video. You understand? Now, don't download her video and paste it on your channel. No, just recreate it. What I mean by just recreating is, if she is talking about the fastest way to get 1,000 subscribers, you to talk about fastest way of getting 1,000 subscribers, and the trick she showed in the video, show the same trick in your video. You understand? I'm showing you the secret of YouTube. That is why I said there is no steez here, there is no shyness here. That is what will make YouTube to recommend your videos, right? Now, after creating the video and recreating the video, all you have to do is that you click here, click on share, right? Once you click on share, and then you copy her YouTube channel link, right? And then you go to Google and search for YouTube metadata extractor. Good. Now, once you search for YouTube metadata extractor, you are going to find this tool here. It's called matw.io. Yes, and you're also going to see tools overflow. Right now, I'll be leaving the link of these two websites in the description. We are going to go to this one first, right? So you come to the matw.io. Here, what you're going to do is that you're going to paste the link you copied, right? You're going to paste it right here. Now, once you paste the link, you then click on submit. Now, let's see what is going to happen here. Just a quick one. If you are struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, relax, because I can help you get it within just 7 days to 21 days, right? I've been able to help this channel also get over 4,000 watch hours. As you can see from the screenshot, I've been able to also help this channel get over 4,000 watch hours within a space of just 7 days. If you want me to handle your channel personally and get you the 4,000 watch hours, check the description of this video, get my contact, and let's get started. So now let's get back into the video. Now let's see what is going to happen here, and then you scroll down. Now once you scroll down, you see what is happening here. This tool has actually showed you the thumbnail she used, it has given you the title, and it has given you the tags. Now you need to understand that this video got 80,000 views because of something. It could be because the video was interesting, it could be because the title was catchy, or it could be because of the tags this lady used. I hope you understand. As a smart YouTuber who wants YouTube to recommend your videos, all you need to do is that just copy everything she did and make a few changes. That is all. Yes, I am telling you the truth. That is all. This is something I do a lot, and it helps me a lot. If I do it 10 times, 6 to 7 times, it works 100%. Now, the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to copy the title of the video. All right, so we're going to copy the title of the video. And then at this point, we have already created our video, so we are going to use the same title. You go to your YouTube studio. After creating your video, you just paste her exact title. You understand? Yes, you can make a few changes to it, but most of the times, if you want to get the same result, you use the same title. Now, after that, you also have to use the same description and then make a few changes to it. But I'll come back to the description later. Yes, that one we are going to use a different tool to get the description. All right. Once you've got your title, the next thing you're going to do is the tags. Yes, now tags are very important in YouTube. It tries to speak to the YouTube algorithm where to push videos. You understand? So you can see that these are the tags this lady used, and she was able to get 80,000 views, right? So all you're going to do is that you are going to copy all this up to here, right? Good. Once you copy all the tags, what you're going to do is that you go back to your video, right? And then you scroll down, 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 you scroll down. Now you're going to see this section here that says tags. What you're going to do is that you are going to paste what you copied, right? You're going to paste all here. You're going to paste all here. Great. It's copy and paste. You understand? Yes. Now we are done with the tags here. We are done with the title. It's left with the description. All right. Now for the description, what you're going to do is that you come back to YouTube and search for YouTube description extractor, right? Yes, this is what is going to appear. This tool is called Tools Overflow, right? You click on Tools Overflow, and then you are going to paste the channel link here again. Now you're going to see some ads here, but just ignore it. Let's get the video link of this lady. We've got a video link of this video, right? Yes. Then you will come to Tools of Overflow, and then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna paste it right here. Great. Now it is going to scan her channel and bring you the description. Good. See, that's giving you the title, that's giving you the description. What it did not give you is the tags. So the tags is what we have done already. You understand? So what you're gonna do is that you just come to this section here and then click on copy, right? And then you go to your video, then you paste her exact description in your descriptions. These are the things that made the video go viral, and we have copied everything. Now you need to understand this. For the description, most of the times there are a couple of things that are personal. Sometimes the person's email may be in there, the person's services may be in there, so you have to make sure you clear all those. But from here, I think there's no email, there's no services in there. All right. Once you've done this, all you have to do is to just click on what? Save. And that is it. You are good to go. And by the way, if you are looking to get monetized faster on YouTube, I can help you achieve that in just 7 days to 21 days. I can help you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 7 to 21 days. If this is something you are interested in, check the description of this video. You are going to get access to my services there, and then let's get started. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince. If you want to get more watch hours on YouTube within 7 to 21 days, then you need to also watch this video right here, and it's really going to help you.